Last player mojo. Birch. Birch on a perch like a bird. People down below saying, watch out before I lay down. All right, here we go. So we got a list. $126, $122, Tonio. I think I'm legit. Too legit to quit. All right. Yes, Tonio. We nailed it again. It's been the best way to do it, Tonio. Email it to myself the second. Before I even go get the darn box, bro. And I write on there, last box opened. All right, guys, here we go. 6 times, good luck on the box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, it was 5 times, wasn't it? It was 5 times. Box 189. I thought it was 6 times for some reason. My bad. Box 189, 5 times. Sick. That literally, I think, is the last box of that run. Go ahead and email it to myself right now without 189 in it. Updated jersey list. Last jersey. Last box. 189. Top notch. Boom. Star. And boom. All right, let's go get box 189. Very last box. Oh, that's right. Last box is 196. Yeah, you're right. All right, let me go grab it. 189, here we go. Oops, forgot to take this down. Jumbo Joe, transfer now. Good luck, everybody. Starting out with Cody Hodgson. Cody. Hey, yo, Cody. Check. And for NYI, Mike Bossy for the Isles. Nice bossy right there. Reverse Retro. Authentic Pro Reverse Retro. Carey Price. For Montreal. That thing is filthy. So we had a Cody Hodgson. A beautiful Mike Bossy. And a Reverse Retro of CP. LTP. No LTP on the Stammer. Sorry about the Stammer LTP. Alright, let's see who's got CP. Reverse Retro CP is going to Dasher. That's expensive, Dash. That's a nice one, bro. Congrats. That's hot, man. Filthy Reverse Retro for the Dash. Mike Bossy, another nice one. Fanatics. Vintage. Mike Bossy going to 514 _ Lemoyne. There you go, Lemoyne. Yeah, we need to get a bunch of retros, man. Reverse retros. You think I'm stupid, Duke? Cody Hodgson. Nice. There we go, Duke. All right, you think I'm stupid, Duke? Right, guys, let's get that hockey break filled. The custom hockey break. I want to see somebody get some filth. Let's do this.